What if you could start a marketing agency this week without building websites, running ads, or learning any code, and still help businesses make thousands in extra sales every month? Sounds impossible, right? Well, let me show you something wild.
Hey, you have reached Cumberland Dental. How can I help you today?
Hi, I was calling in because I wanted to schedule something because I have a really bad root canal and it hurts so bad.
Hi, I'm so sorry to hear you're in pain. Our team is currently out for lunch, but I can take down your details and make sure someone gets back to you as soon as possible to help schedule an appointment. Can I start with your name, please?
Whitney.
Thanks, Whitney. And what's the best email address to reach you?
Whitney@usa.com.
Got it. So that's WHITNEY@USA.com, correct?
Yes.
Perfect. And just to confirm, you're looking to schedule an appointment for a root canal issue, right?
Yeah, I'm in real pain.
All right, I've got all the details. A team member will reach out to you shortly to help schedule that appointment. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Now that wasn't a person. That was Voice AI, a smart assistant that answers calls, books appointments, and never misses a customer. It works 24/7, never takes a day off. And this specific agent was designed just for this dentist office to answer phone calls while everybody else was out for lunch and to keep things moving. When they came back, they answered the phone calls. But this is just one use case. There's so many other use cases where these voice AI agents work. They can answer phone calls, book appointments, close sales, direct calls to an actual human. They can do so much to alleviate the strain that all these local businesses have on them. Think about it. How many times have you tried to call a business before and no one picked up? What did you do? You called someone who would. Every missed call could be lost revenue for businesses. Like restaurants, salons, vets, HVAC companies, electricians, plumbers. These are all businesses that require people to answer the phone so they can get sales. But many people can't afford a full-time staff member just to answer phone calls, and it's hard to find good, reliable help. And that's where you come in. You can offer this exact solution, an AI system that handles calls, websites, texts, DMs, and even reviews for a monthly fee. This is how you build a AI digital marketing agency. And you can build all of it with no code. Now, I'm not acting like I'm a dummy or anything, but I am convinced, guys, if I can do this, anybody can. So in this video, I want to show you exactly how to start a digital AI marketing agency step by step, even if you've never built anything before. Now, I want to cover how to set up a voice AI agent that books appointments and answers calls, build a full AI-powered website that actually converts, manage client conversations, and reviews automatically. You want to price your service right here, land your clients, and scale, all inside one platform called High Level. Now, I don't know if you guys have ever heard of it before, but I've been using it for years, and it's a tool that allows you to be an agency. Like if you sign up today, you are an agency owner. So you guys ready to get into this? Let's go. Okay, so why voice AI? One of the things is I talked about earlier, missed calls could equal lost sales, and that could cost the company a lot of money. Like I have a client that he said he literally, whenever he misses a call, he knows he's missing a sale because if people are calling him, he does HVAC. So people don't just call him for just to say what's up. They call him because they have a problem and they want his services. So this is a true need, and voice AI is just the start. The modern AI marketing agencies use automation everywhere, like your AI websites that write copy and generate images automatically, conversation AI, which answers texts, DMs, and chats instantly, so it does all the work for you, and reputation AI, which requests reviews and drafts replies for you. I'm gonna show it all. Now together, they form a 24/7 marketing system that works while you and your client sleeps. So, how do you build all this without code? Well, I talked about it a little bit earlier. You use this all-in-one platform called High Level. And if you've never heard of it before, think of it as a command center for your AI agency. Inside its one dashboard, you can buy your phone number and route calls. Phone numbers only cost like $1. Create the voice AI agent, build websites and landing pages. You can manage text, emails, Facebook, and Instagram DMs. You can send review requests and track results. It's all in one dashboard. So starting this out, you would pay $97 a month to have 3 business accounts. You want to keep one account, but the other 2, you can actually sell these accounts to other businesses. So for example, you're only paying $97 to have that software. You can create these voice AI agents that I just showed you, all for $97, and you can have have multiple clients on your account. So you could be charging $997 for one client and you're only paying $97 a month. That's how you build this agency into a six-figure business. So to get started, one of the easiest offers is to start with a never miss a call package. And this is where you set up a voice AI agent. You can charge anywhere from $400 to $997 per month, and a setup fee could range from $300 to $1497. The price really depends on the client and their perceived value of it. Now, the way to figure out how much to charge is to ask the client how many missed calls they get about every day. So for example, what if they said maybe 2 or 3? And then you ask them, okay, about how much is your average service, would you say? And if they say like $200, well, then you take those 3 calls that they miss every day and times it by $200. And then you say, okay, that's $600, and then multiply that by 20 days in the month because you want to do business days only. That's a potential $12,000 a month that they are losing from missed calls. So when you say my services are $997 after having that conversation, they already say okay because they see the value in it. But it doesn't really work at $997 if that's the same amount that they're missing every single month. So it really depends on the client and their business and where they are. So these are the kind of questions you want to ask in order to figure out how to price it. But if you get these clients that have a lot of missed calls, that's when you can get into charging $997 a month. And just 10 of those clients is $10,000 a month. You set this thing up one time and then you get paid every single month for this. I'm going to show you in a second how to set this up. And you don't have to have years and years of experience with this. You can just go ahead and get started today. And I have a 3-sentence script that I use to get clients. I'm gonna put in the description below so you guys can see exactly what I say. Copy my strategy for yourself. All right, so when you get in Go High Level, you're gonna have your different accounts up here. What we wanna go to is your AI agents. You're gonna click right here to AI agents. And to get started, we're gonna go to create your first AI agent. So I'm gonna show you how simple this is. So go ahead and go to custom create agent and then go to continue. And then for the purpose of this video, we're gonna just name the agent Brandy. And the business name is going to be Whitney's Salon. And then you can choose different voices here. I like the Dakota voice, so if you just search for Dakota on here, you're gonna find her. You can listen to her right here.
The 90s were fun because it was
and then select her just by clicking on it, save the voice. And then scroll down. The cool thing about this is they have different languages, so you can actually go and say which language you want it in. Obviously, I'm going to be English, and we're going to be, you can switch languages too, which is another cool thing. But I'm going to put on here English, and then you can have your initial message say, hey, you reached, we're going to say Whitney's Salon. How can I help you today? So this is how you want the agent to answer the phone. So the next step. All right, and then we're going to go to next. And then you want to select the knowledge base. So we don't have an existing knowledge base right here, but what we want to do here is go to switch to advanced mode because this is how you train it. And in my community, I have something that my partner Andy created, was a GPT just for these voice AI agents that him and his team worked on for 6 months. So when you do join and you use my link, you do get instant access to this. So we are going to use this and just click on this and help me create an AI voice agent. And then it's going to ask us questions to make the best prompt to make this work for us. So this is the process that you go through. I'm not gonna go through the whole thing because it's going to give you all the questions that you need to go to. And then once you're done, it's gonna give you a prompt. You're gonna copy and paste that, take all this out, and then you're gonna paste the prompt here. And then once you're done, you're gonna go to next. I'm gonna put something here just for the sake of the video. And then once you do that, you're gonna get your phone number. Now, phone numbers cost like $1 a month. So when you're choosing your number, you're gonna buy a new number right here, set this up. Then it's gonna have it here, and then you now have your new voice AI agent. I highly recommend setting this up so you can create a demo and hear it for yourself. And the demo is what's going to sell this. Let me show you some other tools in high level that you can use to have AI automate your business for other businesses. So another thing that you can do here is create websites. So I'm gonna go back over here to sites. I'm gonna show you how you can just create a website using AI. So if you go over here to new funnel, and then you go to funnel AI, we're just gonna just create a website right now. And you can create it in seconds. So you're gonna go to continue. And then we're gonna call this company, I wanna do an HVAC company. So I'm just gonna say Andy's HVAC company. And you can select the industry. So I wanna see if they have anything about home services or HVAC. HVAC contractor. And then you get 1 out of free funnels generations remaining. So you're gonna be charged $1 after your 5 free, which is not bad at all to create a website. And then I'm looking for a funnel for my business to generate more leads. You can tell it what you want it to do. Do you want to generate more leads, get more appointments, showcases? You're giving it some information to give you a good idea of how you want this. You can have a friendly website, professional, inspirational, conversational. I'll just say friendly. And we'll see what it creates for us. And this is how you can easily create a website with the power of AI. So for example, if a customer wants a voice AI agent, you can do an add-on and say, oh, I can also create you a website too. And you're doing this at a click of a button. If they don't have a website or if they want an improved website, you can just do something like this. So see here, this is the website they created and it's completely customizable. So this is where you're gonna have your logo here. You're gonna have everything is already in here, schedule now. We can scroll down, see what it has. And it looks like a really good website. You can totally go in here and change the images in here. Just click on them, go to the images right here and upload a new image you have. With the power of AI, you can literally create new images. It already has reviews in here. You can customize these, but it's a completely finished website with a click of a button. And obviously you wanna go through this and kind of make it your own for the client. But that's all you have right here with just a click of a button for our website. So that's just one example. There's other ways that you can create websites within the system, but I just wanted to show you how you can do it at the click of a button. Next, I want to show you how you can actually go ahead and get responses for reviews. So for example, I have a YouTube bootcamp that I did, and every time I run the bootcamp, I ask for reviews. I have this thing in Go High Level where it's set up where every time someone leaves me a review, it automatically responds to them so I don't have to constantly go back and say thank you so much for the review. So I'm gonna show you a quick example of what that looks like. So if I go to reviews right here for my bootcamp, you can see right here that I have all 5-star reviews, and every time someone left a review, I had AI as looking like me, but they're responding for me. So you see it says, thank you for a wonderful review, Mimi. We're thrilled to hear that you found the bootcamp, blah, blah. And it gives different customizable reviews for each person. Like this is a different response right here. Thank you so much for your positive feedback, blah, blah, blah. And you can train your AI to talk just like you. You can say, do you want to talk friendly or more professional? You decide how you want to do this for your clients as well. Ask them what kind of tone do they want. Do you want it to talk like them? You don't want to make it seem like it's AI. You want it to make it seem like it's a real person. So you train it that way. And I don't want to get into too much of the details in this video because you're going to be like, oh, this is too much. So in this video, I hope you have a good understanding of how you can create a digital AI marketing agency with the AI tools that are right here in Go High Level. I encourage you guys to try it for 30 days. Lock in and do what you can. Use the 3-sentence script that I use to get my clients. I'm going to link that in the description below so you guys can see how I did it and how you can do it too. And if you guys have any questions, comment below. If you join my community, we do weekly calls with Andy All Date, my partner, who is a GOAT at sales. And then you get bi-weekly coaching with me. You're not just starting something by yourself. You're starting it out with people who are actually know what they're doing and can help you every single week. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.